Hello everyone and welcome back to English with Zainab Qais. Today we are going to be talking about the prepositions of time, when we can use in, on and at. So let's start our lesson. Remember, we use in with a season, in spring, in summer, in winter. Also with the years and centuries, in 2009, in 1991, in the 20th century. With a month, in June, in August, in July. Also with the parts of the day, in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. Also we use on with the days, on Monday, on Tuesday, on Wednesday, on my birthday. We can use on with a date, on the 31st of July, on June 3rd. The last thing that we use at with clock times, at 7 o'clock, at 9:30, at 1500 hours. Also with the meal times, at breakfast, at lunchtime, at tea time, and in these phrases, at night, at the weekend. So that's everything for today. I hope it was useful and I hope to see you very soon in another lesson. Thank you for all of you and bye bye.